Hi everyone. My name is Jayjin. My team is Tian Liang Tao and Liu Yichun, and I'm gonna introduce how to run the lab4part2. So here are two Python scripts. So we are created. So one is called lab4auto. One is called lab4part2. So first, I'm gonna introduce the lab4part2. So as we can see here, this is our code. So in this part, first step is using the credential to connect the MySQL database and executing a SQL query to select the distinct title from the post data table, then change all of the title in the post data table and return the list of the title. So in this part, this step is the processing the raw data by the tokening each title into words, converting them to the lowercase, then filtering out of the alphabet token and the stop words. In this part is the model of the vectors. So this step is using the pre-processing data training on word2vec model from the GeneSim library. It is for the obtain the vector representation of the words, and those vector compose information about the meaning of the words and those relationship with other words. After training, we calculate the title vector by taking the average of all token vector. If a title contain the unknown words to the model, it will be assigned none instead of the vector. And so in this part, we apply the k-mean clustering to group to the document vector into the cluster with 3 clusters. We use the PCA to reduce the dimensionally of the document vector to 2 dimensions, and we use the matplot to display the cluster with the different color representing the different cluster. For each cluster, we calculate the top 10 keywords by frequency. So we iterate through each cluster to perform the keywords analysis for each cluster separately. For each cluster, it first finds the index of the document, then the aggregate all the words those documents into the cluster keywords. Finally, we use sort function to sort the word, descending the order of the frequency and print the top 10 words for each cluster. Uh, Now, so and here we use the name and this is main function in here. So let's run this code. Okay, in here, according to this screenshot, and uh, and we can find that keyword list for all of the cluster and providing a inside the topic each cluster. And for example, the common words new and the and the scientists could AI and the techniques show that post could be related to techniques, architecture intelligence, and the scientific uh, discoveries. So this is first step. So we're gonna run the next step. Uh, So this is code for the next. So for the next scripts. So here is same thing as the previous part one code. So we create a database, then insert the post, and add this here. Everything is similar. And let me see. So in here, in this part, so the listed.txt gonna store the ID of the last post, while scripting the radius of the if the last post ID is the same as the ID stored in the text file, it means that no new post has been posted yet, and there are no need to to future scripting because we already have all the posts stored in the database. If the latest post the ID is different, so we keep screening until we search the post with same ID. So we search the limit number of the post. So the reason why I have the limit number is 10, because if we gonna list the for 1,000, gonna be takes a while, like 5 to 10 minutes. So today I'm only gonna show like 10. Let's run this code. Like it takes a while. Okay, my bad. I should just put number. So in here, why we should put the one? Because we gonna wait like the each time for the 1 minute for 1 minute sleep. So here is the script. If we like enter the quit to exist, the system gonna be automatically stopped. So post insert successfully. We're gonna keep waiting. We're gonna take 1 minute to check again. It's still loading. As we can see here, his each said like no new post fine. So gonna sleep the for next another 1 minute. The system gonna be stopped. So here it looks like it's no fine. So we're gonna hit the quit. Gonna take a little bit time. here is our like last ID TXT, and let's look at this one. As we can see here, so the 10 of the list already posted here, and also the the message UI already transferred to the back text, and really quick. So this is my lab4 part 2 introduced. Thank you for everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.